In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable advanced accounting in Freshbooks. This process is pretty simple, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access the correct settings in Freshbooks to make this adjustment. Go ahead and log into your Freshbooks account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you're going to want to direct your attention to the left-hand menu. From there, look for the option labeled Settings. This is the gateway to managing various aspects of your Freshbooks account, and it's where we'll start our journey today. Once you've clicked on Settings, the next thing you'll want to do is select Accounting. This section is where you'll find all the financial management tools provided by Freshbooks. It's crucial to note that this area is dedicated to handling your accounting needs, making it the ideal spot for managing any advanced options you wish to enable. Now that you're in the accounting section, it's time to focus on the advanced features. Look for a subsection titled Advanced Preferences. This is where Freshbooks keeps its more sophisticated tools that allow for greater flexibility and functionality when managing your financials. Once you've located it, keep an eye out for an option that reads Advanced Accounting. Enabling this feature is as simple as sliding a toggle. So go ahead and find the toggle switch for Advanced Accounting. And when you're ready, give it a slide to switch it to the on position. This simple action opens up a new suite of tools designed to give more control and insight into your business finances. A reassuring point about this process is that your changes will save automatically. There's no need to seek out a save button or worry about losing your progress. Freshbooks does this for you, ensuring that once you enable the feature, it's good to go without further intervention. And that's it. You've successfully enabled advanced accounting in Freshbooks. This upgrade will now allow you to take advantage of more detailed financial tracking and reporting features that Freshbooks has to offer, which can be invaluable for making informed business decisions. Remember, if you ever need to revert back or make further adjustments, simply revisit the accounting settings and toggle the feature as needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy accounting!